Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the active specification. It's done less than 22,000 miles and comes with alloy wheels. There's a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, cruise control, and this car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car was first sold by us from new and has a full service history with us as well. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.